Hi everyone. In this video, we're learning about the most common type of cloud service, SaaS, software as a service. We'll go through a super relatable real-world example, how SaaS works, layer by layer, and why SaaS is everywhere in our daily lives. The key difference between IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Let's jump in. What is SaaS? SaaS, software as a service, is a ready-to-use software provided by a cloud provider. You don't install anything. You don't manage infrastructure, runtime, or databases. You just open your browser or app and use the software. It's like renting a fully furnished house, move in and start living. Real-time example, using Gmail or Netflix. Let's say you want to watch a movie. You don't go buy a CD or DVD player. You don't install media software. You just open Netflix, search your movie, and click play. Netflix takes care of everything behind the scenes: servers, storage, updates, security. You just enjoy the service. Same with Gmail, Google Docs, Canva, Zoom, Office 365, all are SaaS. Everyday examples of SaaS. Gmail, send emails without managing servers. Google Docs, work on documents with others online. Canva, design graphics without installing Photoshop. Zoom, video call from anywhere. FreshBooks, invoicing and accounting from your browser. Shopify, launch a store with no coding. Why use SaaS? With real-life examples. No need for installation or setup. You don't have to install heavy software or worry about system requirements. Example, just log into Canva or Google Docs and start creating. Use from any device, anywhere. Laptop, phone, tablet, your data and app are synced in the cloud. Example, open Gmail or Zoom from any device, anytime. Always up to date, automatic updates. You don't need to manually update the software, it's handled by the provider. Example, Salesforce or Microsoft 365 gets new features without you doing anything. Cost-effective, monthly or yearly plans. No huge upfront costs. Just pay as you go. Example, tools like Netflix, for entertainment, or Slack, for communication, are subscription-based. Scales easily, from one user to millions. Perfect for small teams or global companies, scale as needed. Example, Zoom. When the pandemic started, Zoom went from millions to hundreds of millions of users almost overnight. Did Zoom users need to install new infrastructure? Nope. Did Zoom crash for most people? Nope. Zoom scaled instantly on the backend using cloud infrastructure and SaaS architecture, serving schools, offices, events, and even weddings, without users doing anything. Conclusion: SaaS equals software, simplified. With SaaS, you don't build, install, or maintain anything, you just log in and go. It's perfect for individuals, small businesses, and big enterprises. Everything is handled so you can focus on using the service, not running it. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, versus PaaS, platform as a service, versus SaaS, software as a service. The sections shaded in blue are managed by you, while the unshaded sections are managed by the cloud. Next video we will learn types of clouds. Private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. Please subscribe for more fun and easy cloud computing lessons. Thank you for watching.